Who knew eating eggs could be so beneficial? I didn't, but I found out and now I can give you proof that it works. It feels incredible to have lost 10 pounds in just 3 days and went from a flabby belly to a flat six-pack. And I got these results using what is called the egg fast diet. Let me tell you how you can copy my results and maybe even get better results for yourself. But I remember the first time I heard about the egg fast diet. I was scrolling through social media trying to find a quick fix to shed a few pounds before a big event. You know how it is. Weddings, reunions, or even just a beach day can make you feel like you need to drop weight yesterday. That's when I stumbled across this crazy-sounding diet that promised quick results. At first I thought, eggs? For 3 to 5 days, that's it? But curiosity got the better of me, and I decided to dig deeper. And let me tell you, what I found was both fascinating and a little intimidating. So grab a cup of tea or black coffee if you're already in the keto spirit, and let me take you through my journey with the egg fast diet. Oh, and before we dive in, drop a comment below telling me what state or country you're from. I'm curious to see where my egg fast warriors are located. And here's a little joke to get you typing. Why did the egg hide? Because it didn't want to crack under pressure. Hopefully that helped you smile. Okay, let's get cracking. The egg fast diet is one of those things that sounds too good to be true. Lose weight in 3 to 5 days? Break through a plateau? Sign me up! But as I started researching, I realized it's not just about eating eggs all day. It's a highly restrictive, short-term ketogenic diet that focuses on eggs, cheese, and healthy fats. Yes, you heard that right. Eggs, cheese, and fats. Sounds like a dream, but it's not as easy as it sounds. The rules are strict, and the diet is designed to kickstart ketosis, which is when your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. The egg fast diet is particularly effective for burning belly fat because it's designed to put your body into a state of ketosis. When you drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake and increase your consumption of healthy fats and protein, your body starts using fat as its primary fuel source instead of glucose. This metabolic shift not only helps you burn stored fat, but also targets stubborn areas like the belly. Eggs, the star of this diet, are packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats, which keep you full and reduce cravings, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit, another key factor in losing belly fat. Additionally, the egg fast diet helps regulate insulin levels, which plays a significant role in fat storage, especially around the midsection. When insulin levels are stable, your body is less likely to store excess fat. The combination of low carbs, high fats, and moderate protein also reduces water retention, giving you a flatter stomach in just a few days. While the results are often temporary, the egg fast diet can be a powerful tool to kickstart your weight loss journey and break through a stubborn plateau. Here's how it works. You eat at least 6 to 12 whole eggs a day, preferably pasture-raised if you can swing it. Consume a tablespoon of fat, like butter or avocado oil, per egg, and have an ounce of full-fat cheese per egg. You also have to eat your first egg within 30 minutes of waking up and eat every 3 to 5 hours, even if you're not hungry. Oh, and no eating 3 hours before bed. Sounds simple, right? Well, let me tell you, by day 2, I was dreaming about toast. But here's the thing. This diet isn't meant to be a long-term solution. It's a tool, a short-term fix to help you break through a weight loss plateau or jumpstart your keto journey. And while it's not something I'd recommend doing for more than 3 to 5 days, it can be effective if you're in a pinch. Now, before I go any further, I want to pause and ask you to do me a favor. If you're finding this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I've got a special gift for those of you who stick around until the end of the video, so make sure you watch all the way through. And if you're serious about losing weight, I've got a free guide that'll teach you a special technique to lose more weight in half the time. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So, back to the egg fast diet. One of the things that surprised me the most was how filling it was. You'd think eating eggs all day would get boring, and it does. But the combination of fat and protein kept me surprisingly full. I didn't feel hungry, which is a big deal for me because I'm usually snacking all day. But here's the catch. While the diet is high in fat and protein, it's extremely low in carbs. And if you're used to eating a lot of carbs, hello bread lovers, your body might go through a bit of a shock. This is where the dreaded keto flu comes in. During the first few days, I felt tired, a little foggy, and honestly, a bit cranky. My body was adjusting to using fat for fuel instead of carbs, and I wasn't happy about it. But by day 3, I started to feel better. My energy levels evened out, and I noticed my clothes fitting a little looser. Now let's talk results. I'll be honest, I didn't lose 10 pounds in 5 days like some people claim, but I did lose about 5 pounds and I felt less bloated. For me, that was a win. But here's the thing. The weight loss wasn't just fat. A lot of it was water weight because of the low-carb nature of the diet. And while it felt great to see the number on the scale go down, I knew it wasn't a sustainable way to lose weight long-term. That's why I want to emphasize that the egg fast diet is a tool, not a lifestyle. It's not something you should do for more than a few days, and it's definitely not for everyone. If you have any medical conditions like diabetes or high cholesterol, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, this diet isn't for you. And if you're someone who loves variety in your meals, this might feel like torture. But here's the good news. If you're looking for a way to break through a plateau or kickstart your weight loss journey, the egg fast diet can be a helpful tool. Just make sure you're doing it safely and not overdoing it. And remember, the key to long-term success is sustainability. That's why I'm such a big believer in the Live Lean lifestyle. It's all about balance, eating healthy most of the time, but still allowing yourself to enjoy life. No extreme diets, no cutting out entire food groups, just sustainable habits that help you feel your best. So, if you're ready to take the next step in your weight loss journey, I've got something special for you. Grab a copy of my free guide, where I'll teach you a special technique to lose more weight in half the time. It's packed with tips and tricks to help you reach your goals without feeling deprived. And don't forget to stick around until the end of the video for that special gift I mentioned earlier. Before I go, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried the egg fast diet? Did it work for you? Or are you thinking about giving it a try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need a little egg-spiration. See what I did there? Thanks for watching, and remember, living lean is all about balance, not perfection. See you next time.